One of our most important objectives was to keep VAST simple and intuitive. With just a few clicks, you can set up your account and invite your executive to set up an account. To create an account, fill in your information, select a password, highlight if you are the executive assistant or the executive, then click Create Account. The system will then send you an automated email for verification. Click on the link to open VAST. VAST must first connect to your Google or Outlook account. Press Sync your account. You may choose to connect to either Google or Outlook. Press the appropriate Connect button, then select Go to Dashboard. You will be asked to sign in to your Google or Outlook account. VAST will share information with your Google or Outlook account and vice versa. Press Continue to authorize VAST to access your information. Now that your accounts are connected, select the calendars you wish to have associated with your VAST account and click Go to Dashboard. Congratulations, you are now connected. From here, you may watch a quick welcome video, invite your executive, or continue to explore VAST. No pressure though, all of these options are available to you at any time. If you choose to explore VAST before adding your executive, you will be taken to the dashboard. If you choose to add your executive, you will be asked to enter his or her information and select Click Add Now. An automated email message will be sent to your executive inviting them to create their own account. To continue to set up your executive's profile on your VAST account, you will follow the same steps to sync his or her information as you did for your account. Select Google or Outlook. Log into the appropriate account. If you have your executive's direct credentials, you may use them here. If you do not have their credentials, but you share access to their calendar, use your personal credentials. Give VAST permission to sync to the chosen account, and select the calendars you wish to have associated with your executive. If you have your executive's direct credentials or have shared permission to his or her contacts, you can sync contacts by clicking on the Contacts menu and selecting Sync Contacts. Congratulations, you have set up your account and added your executive. You may toggle between your information and your executive's information by using the Switch Executive drop-down menu. You are now ready to start experiencing the power of VAST. I encourage you to view our video library and to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more how-to videos and to get valuable updates.